first command we're going to start off with today is the touch command. Now, this only does a couple things that are useful, at least in my opinion. So the first thing it's going to do is just create an empty file. So in this case, I have a file 1, I believe, and I'm going to go ahead and just create a new file. So the way you use touch is you just say touch, and then you can give it a new file name, and it'll just create an empty file with that file name. It's very simple. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter here, and now I'm going to list my directory, and what we see is I now have a file called new file. I can see that it's empty right here based on the 0 bytes, and that's one way to use touch. So the other way that you can use touch is basically to change the last modified by date, which, like I said, this is the date that's seen here, date and time. And to give an example, a lot of these files I've touched today already, just to prepare for the video, but readme.txt, that one hasn't been touched in a while. So what if I wanted to just, update it to today's date? Like maybe there's something, maybe I've reviewed it, there's nothing to change, but I kind of want to signify, well, the last time that I looked at it, and even though I didn't make changes, I might want to update that date. I can go ahead and just say, okay, touch. I'm going to use readme using the shorthand text, just read and tab. And when I hit enter and then list the file, what we notice is the timestamp has now updated. So before it said October 6th, now it shows October 11th and the current time. So touch, like I said, it only does two functions really that I find useful. That is to create a new empty file or to update the last modified timestamp for a file. Very simple, very basic, and that's one way to create a file.